Definitely.
Alright, ready?
Ew, you like Venom? You're Spider-Man.
Wow. Alright, Venom. Michael Venom Page.
Okay.
Let's go. Radicals, right?
Yes.
So this is gonna, hey, focus. I'm recording. So we got radicals, right? And you gotta treat these radicals just like they're x's.
Okay.
If I had minus 3x minus x, you would get minus 4x, right?
Oh yeah, because x is 1?
Yeah, because there's that 1 right inside there, right? So, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Same thing with this. Given, and then we just did the PIMDOS, right? Just adding, subtracting, so all we did was simplify, right? And we said, oh, that's just negative 4 square roots of 6. That's it, okay? Now, if you want to throw it in the calculator, you can. You don't have to. But I would like to see you practice doing both of them. So you got negative 4 square roots of 6, and you'll have 4 times the square root of 6 is 9.79. So we're going to round that off to the first, to the 10th. So that'd be 9.8. So it'd be negative 9.8. So approximately, this is your approximate. Okay? And what approximate is different than the real number, right? Because it's not the whole number, you're approximating it. Okay? And it depends how far out you go. You can go 4 places. When we do SOHCAHTOA, we're going to go 4 places every time. Okay? When we do, this week I'm going to do the zip line problems. Right? On Friday, if you want to get help on that zip line problem, that's on your test, chapter 5, that a lot of you are failing. Right? Then come in on Friday, we'll work that zip line, and it is tough. The zip line one is tough, but you're going to be holding the decimal places out as far as your calculator goes. So it goes 32 places, you're going to go 32 places. If it goes 8 places, you're going to go 8 places. Okay? All right. This next one. Now this one's a little different because you got to break it down first. Okay? And that's why I'm doing this, just 2 on this first example. So this one is broken down, right? What goes into 5? 5. 1 time, right? But what goes into 8? 2. 4 times. 2 goes into 4. 2 times. 2 goes into 2 once. When you get to 1, you're done. This is prime factorizing. Okay? And what this does is it lets us set up the next one. So this is going to be 2, right? Square roots of 2. Okay? But remember, we have 3 of those. Okay? In this beginning one, we still just have 3 square roots of 5 because that's all there is. You can't break down to 5. So that's done, right? But with this one, you break this square root of 8 down, so it's 2 square roots of 2. And so you have 3 of those 2 square roots of 2. All right? And we're going to talk about that next. But first, let's do this guy, which is 20. So 2 goes into 20 10 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times, 5 goes into 5 once. Remember, when you get to 1, you're done, right? And then what are you going to do? You're going to pull out the pair of 2's, and what's left inside is the 5. So you just circle it up. Any pairs. With square roots, it's all about pairs. If you have a cubed root, it'd be about triplets. 4th roots, taking out quadruplets. Right? 5th roots, quintuplets. Okay? So 5 of a kind. Okay? Alright, but we're just going to deal with square roots for right now. So we know that this square root of 20 is 2 square roots of 5. But how many of those do we have? We have 3 of them, right? The 3 comes down here. Okay, so this first step was given. Then we have simplifying. Okay? Simplifying using what? The definition of prime factorization. Factoring. Okay? Now, what's your next level? Well, your next level is PIMDOS, right? We got to multiply, divide what's inside those addition, subtracting. You can't add and subtract before we multiply, divide, right? So we need to do this. So it's 3 square roots of 5 minus 6 square roots of 2 plus 6 square roots of 5, right? And that's again simplifying, right? Now we can call it distribution. Okay? Since it's multiplying, we typically call any kind of multiplying a distribution, right? Either way is okay with me, okay? Then what do? We collect like terms, okay? Collect like terms. What is like? So just like the x's, this would be like x and y, all right? So these go together. So we got 3 plus 6 is 9 square roots of 5, right? Minus 6 square roots of 2. Okay? Now, I don't think it really matters which one you have first. What is your answers in the back? I mean, you could put the square root of 2 first because it's a lower number. They have 5 coming up first, so it doesn't matter. So we're good to go. So this is their answer. How did we get there? Again, simplify. We added them, right? So it's a pretty easy concept. It's also complex.
Is it what we use in distance?
Yes, you'll use this in distance formula. You use this in the Pythagorean theorem, right?
Honestly,
Quadratic formula, all those
It
things.
wasn't that bad.
No, it's not
Now,
bad.
number 1 was very easy. Number 2, I mean number 3.
Number 2 can get confusing, right?
Yeah, it's not that bad.
But it's not. As soon as you learn the rules of the game, right? Learn the rules of the game, then play it better than anyone else.
Actually, you got that wrong. It was number 2.
It was what?
It was number 2.
3.
Was it a number 2?
3.
No, it was number
Was
3.
3?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
3.
Never mind then.
I had it